Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to talk to you about a product called ColourGuard Plus. If your lawn has lost some colour or vigour from the heat, a good option is ColourGuard Plus. It's a natural pigment with a fertiliser and can be a great solution, especially those affected by water restrictions, to keep your lawn looking nice and green. Your grass might look very dry, maybe even look dead, but in most cases it will be sitting dormant waiting for moisture before it can green up again. With ColourGuard Plus, there's no need to wait, you can have a green lawn in an instant. ColourGuard Plus combines a robust blend of vital micronutrients with an organically derived pigment, functioning as a colourant and a fertiliser at the same time. It also protects your lawn during the summer months by blocking out harmful UV rays, like a sunscreen for your lawn. ColourGuard Plus is easy to apply and will stay green for up to 3 months per application. ColourGuard Plus works on all lawns in all climates. Just attach your hose to the ready-to-use bottle or mix from a concentrate with water in a pressure sprayer as per the bottle instructions. Once dry, it's important you wash off any excess residue left on the leaf blade, leaving you with a beautiful green lawn. Saving water is so important during water restrictions, so if you're looking to keep your lawn healthier and green during dry conditions while saving water, then ColourGuard Plus is a great solution.